Hello, my name is Swanjali Singh. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss marketing management, uh, where we discuss what is marketing management, marketing myths, plan implementation, marketing strategy, product life cycle, and customer value analysis. So, what is the marketing management? What is marketing? Marketing is process by which companies create value for customers and build a strong customer relationship to capture value from customers in return. So marketing which create values for customer and build a strong customer relationship. This definition given by Kotler and another definition which is given by American Marketing Association, that is the marketing is activity, set of institution, set of department like sales department, marketing department, advertising department, marketing research department. So set of institution and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offering that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So this definition given by AMA in 2013, where they are talking about it is the series of activity, set of institution, and the process for creating. What creating demand, creating need, creating want, and that they communicating, then delivering and exchanging offerings. What is exchanging offerings? They create value, that value they communicate to society, and then they give that value in form of good or service. In return they get money or maybe some other goodwill that have value for customers, client, partner, and society at large. And that is also important, society at large, because they are working on societal orientation. Marketing is the delivery of a standard of living to the society, because marketing only improve the living standard of society, because their main job to create the desired need, uh, wants and deliver that want, need, desire to the customer. That this way they deliver the standard of living to the society. Our next slide is marketing management orientation, where the five component for marketing orientation. First is the production concept. In production concept, assume that customer will want to buy products or service that are easily available and affordable. They are assume, the company, the production house has assumed that customer will willing to buy their product or service which is easily available and affordable. So without doing any marketing research or uh, cus- uh, not focus on the customer wants or desire, they produce the product in bulk and only focus on that it is easily available in that cost, or easily anyone can afford them. So that is the production concept, where we produce in bulk. Then second orientation is the product concept, where they work on quality of product. This orientation of the company shows focus on product alone. Product orientation company put in maximum effort on producing the quality product, fixing them at right price so that consumer differentiate their company product and purchase it. So here the product concept is focus on quality of product, where the production concept is focus on only production of product in bulk amount, and that they can that product can be easily available at affordable rate. Third orientation comes selling concept, where is focus on profit, making profit, selling them any tactics uh, and without considering the customer satisfaction, they force to sell them through, for example, like season sale or online, so many sales. Uh, we are notice the online sometime off season sale. Amazon, Flipkart sometime use this. So this is only focus on gaining the profit. That fourth orientation is marketing orientation, where focus on satisfaction of customer wants and need. For example, automobile industry is working on how we satisfy the customer needs, wants, or through service, through product, because some automobile industry is continuously working after sale also, their customer handling, uh, in the continuous search, market researcher or continuously research on the what quality, what technique customer want in their four wheeler, and after sale also they willing to always help to improve their brand name. So that is called the marketing concept. For example, Coca-Cola is also may focus on marketing orientation, where Coca-Cola is making lots of test flavor according to customer desire. And one zero diet cocoa also introduced because of customer need. So last one is the societal marketing concept, where the marketer is focused on society, uh, uh, where we focus on society when the work, the product which is beneficial for society. So today's most of companies are moving beyond the marketing concept to the customer concept. Growing number of today's company are now shaping separate offer service message to the individual customer by building high customer loyalty and focus on customer lifetime value. They hope to achieve the profitable growth. Uh, okay, so uh, this five component of the marketing management orientation, so production, product, selling, marketing, and societal. What is core concept or marketing process? Core concept of marketing is need, wants, demand, exchange, value, satisfaction. Creating value for customer and build customer relationship. The first job of marketing team is creating the value, creating the need, creating want, desire to the customer. And what is demand? The capacity to buy. It's demand. If I want iPhone, but our budget is not allowed to buy this, then this is not my demand. My demand is so that Moto G or whatever phone which come in my budget. So that is the capacity to purchasing power, demand, exchange, value. What beneficial value we get as compared to cost, and that define my satisfaction. So create value for customer and build customer relationship. Understand the marketplace and customer need and want. First job to understand the marketplace, market research, where we understand our market, our customer needs and wants. Then design the customer driven marketing strategy and construct an integrated marketing program that deliver the superior value. We'll discuss later what is the integrated marketing program. After that, build profitable relationship and create customer delight. Capture value from customer to create profit and customer equity. Capture value from customer in return. So first we create need and want, then we make a strategy how to we deliver this value to the customer through the help of marketing integrated program, where we use the 4 P of marketing and marketing strategy and all. And will after that we will build the relationship and create to make the customer delight and capture that value. Marketing mix or plan implementation. What is integrated marketing mix? That is the 4 P of marketing, means that product, price, promotion, place, where we target our customer or intended positioning, where we find the product, what quality need they want. In under product come variety, quality, design, features, brand name, packaging, service. After that, when we decide about the product, we have to decide the price. That list price, discount, allowance, payment period, credit terms. After that, we have to communicate them through promotion, advertise, advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, and we can use different channel for promoting them. Channel coverage, location, transportation, logistic. So this is the 4 P of marketing: product, price, promotion, and place. Here, product is what is product? Is customer solution. And what is price? That is the customer cost. Then the promotion comes to the communication, that we communicate our product to the customer. And the place where convenience to buy, for customer convenience, we decide the place. So this is the 4 C related to 4 P. Here, the 7 P of service. This is for the product, for the good, and in case of service, we add three additional: that physical evidence, people, process. Here we will discuss in this slide the product life cycle. Product life cycle is the process of products goes through from when it's first introduced into the market until it decline or is removed from the market. So here is the introduction of the product, and here this phase is the decline phase. So basically 4 phase of product life cycle. That introduction, where introduction phase is the period where new product is first introduced into the market. Then growth, we are increasing the sale and profit, new competitor appears. Then maturity, where saturation established, declining this profit margin, standardized features. And then decline, if in maturity period, if we not do anything changes or make some strategy, no, if we will not make some strategy to change the product or communicate in new way, then it become to decline. So this is the where profitable if profit is fall, and then where we decide maybe product is dead, or maybe we get lost. So this is the fourth phase of product life cycle. This is the marketing strategy and marketing mix. This all marketing integrating system where the in center the customer value and relationship. Uh, After that, we do STP, that segmentation, targeting, positioning, where we segment our customer and then target them, and then we positioning. Then four, P of marketing mix, where we have to work. After that, internal and external analysis. In internal analysis, that marketing analysis, marketing planning, marketing implementation, marketing control. And external study is the marketing intermediaries, competitor, public, supplier, government rules. Label of product and service, that also like code customer value. This is the actual features like brand name, quality level, packaging, design, features, or augmented product that which add on the actual product, like delivery and credit, product support, warranty, guarantee, after sales service, guarantee where the company promised to replace the whole body, and warranty where the part of the body is replaced. For example, in automobile industry, there is the quality level, brand name, features, design, packaging, all come under the core customer value. And an augmented product is like product support, delivery time, and after sales service. Product portfolio, the business portfolio is the collection of business and product that make up the company. Portfolio analysis is major activity in a strategic planning, whereby management evaluate the product and business that make up the company. A strategic business unit can be company division, product line within division, and single product or brand. BCG matrix, where two axes is there, the marketing growth rate and the relative marketing share, where four component is working: star, question mark, cash cow, and dog. If marketing growth rate is high and relative market share is both high, then the company is star. There the revenue is also uh, high, we get profit and all. If marketing growth rate is low and the relative market share is high, then company having the cash, their relative market share is high, but growth in market is low. Here, dog is the component where zero marketing share and zero marketing growth. In question mark, company have to decide we go to further some add-on value or invest money, or we drop this. Pricing decision, where here is the two places that customer perception of value, pricing ceiling, the no demand above this price. For example, I want pain, and this pain, I am not willing to pay more than 100 rupees of for this pain. So one is this demand price ceiling, where the customer don't not willing to pay more than that price. And price floor, that product cost, product production cost or making cost, no profit below this price. So we have to work in between the price ceiling and price floor. Uh, so in between these two only we decide the price of the product. Cost and value based price. Yes, cost-based price, where we start from the designing a good product, determine the product cost, set the price based on cost, and convince the buyer of the product value. But the value based price is just opposite. First, we assess the customer need value, and then we set the target price which match to the customer perception value, and then we determine the cost, and then design the product delivered to the target at that target price. For example, nano, where nano the who having the bike or motorcycle, who want to buy a car, uh, but they don't have that much money. So according to their want and need, the company automobile industry make design the car for them and deliver that car on that price. So that is value based pricing for nano they did. And cost based pricing, where the already product, first we make product and then we may decide the cost. So this is the two way of doing the pricing. Market scheming strategy, where the lower price segment cater to, and the market penetration strategy, where aggressively low pricing. In market scheme strategy, the company keep the price high to capture the real buyer of that customer, and after that maybe they reduce the price. And market penetration, that is the low pricing strategy to capture the large amount of market segment. Direct and indirect channel design, where this customer marketing channel and this is the business marketing channel. Producer to consumer, channel 1. uh, Channel 2, where the retailer is come, and in 3 wholesaler and retailer both come in between. Then in same way in business marketing channel, producer to business customer, that is the channel 1. Business distributors come in channel 2 in between producer and business customer, and manufacturer representative or sell branch and business distributor come in between the producer and business customer in channel 3. Promotion. Promotion refers to all the communicative activities one use to ensure that customers know about their offering, have a favorable impression of the company, and actually make a transaction. Promotion mix activity including advertising, self promotion, personal selling, public relation, direct marketing. Developing a strategy for growth and downsizing product and marketing expansion, and software, where we decide how company is growing, or we have to make this strategy how to develop our product. This is the new market, existing market, here existing product, new product. Market development, where we have to develop the market. We have the product, where we have to develop the market. And here in product development, where we work on product marketing penetration, we work on both existing market and existing product both, but we have to penetrate them. Thank you.